Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Here we are, so close to home.
Right on. Well, I don't
Stranded
know.
on the side of the road.
What's going on, Barbara, is we're cruising along. We're actually I'm having a bit of car trouble right up the road from your place.
A bit?
Yeah, I'm
it won't start me up.
We took the Rogersville Highway from Monkey, and I'm right up the road from your house.
And what's your thoughts on the breakdown?
Decided to die just right now, so Melissa gave her mom a call, and her mom's coming to pick up, Scott, Kim, and Darcy and Melissa.
Start me up.
But sorry, would it be possible for you to take a spin down the road and just pick me up? I'm going to call a tow truck and get the car. Billy's got the car. Okay, so.
You'll see us on the side of the road.
Okay. Well, I can leave it here. Actually, can I get a ride with you guys right to Billy?
Yeah.
If Melissa's mother's coming, I'll just get her to
Problem solved.
give me a spin over your place. Then